Okay, guys, this is the last section of Chapter 3. Yay! Lesson 11, based on using a layaway plan. So we have, well, a lot of times when you go to a store, and I think Kmart was like huge into this when they were doing well, I guess, if they ever were doing well. With using layaway. Layaway is, okay, I want to buy this item. It's on the shelf right now. I know it's on the shelf. I don't want it to disappear. So you usually brought it somewhere in the back where they had a big sign that said layaway. And you could bring it to the back and say, can you hold this for me? I'm going to buy it. But in order for them to hold it for you, you had to give them some kind of deposit or promise that you are going to eventually buy it. So usually it was like, I don't know, 10% or 20% of what the item cost. And then you had to monthly go over there and pay for it. The advantage of layaway was that you didn't use a charge card, because we just learned in that last lesson monthly payments on charge cards cost a percentage. Layaway did not. It was free. It was 0%. The only difference was you didn't get it now. You had to wait. So they didn't give you that item. Where a charge card you got right then, there, and now. So, and we know as Americans we always want things right then, there, and now. That's why layaway kind of wasn't that popular, but it still exists. And I think Big Lots still does it right now, here in 2019. So, anyways, let's go ahead and do the examples. We have a dress that costs $85. They want a 10% deposit. So we want to find the amount of deposit and the remainder due. So we're going to take the $85, so 85 times 10%, and 10%, remember, was going to be 0.10, and the way you find that is take the 10 divided by 100. So 85 times 0.10 is $8.50. So then the remainder due is just going to be 85 minus the 8.5, so you owe $76.50. And then what they would do is they would say, well, now you got to pay that off in 5 months, or at least a half of a year or something. And then you would take that usually and divide it by how many months, and that's how much you would come up with monthly. And luckily we do have that example right here, what they're going to do. So this person is going to buy an air filter. It costs $249.99. They want a 20% deposit. So $249 times 0.20, which is your 20%, $49.80. Let's just write this here so you know. And you know you're going to be multiplying, and you get $49.80. The remainder due, you're going to subtract $249.99 minus the $49.80, and you get 219 cents. And they want it over a number of payments of 5. Usually it's monthly payments, so you're going to take this and divide it by 5. So divide by 5, and you get your payments of $40, and we're going to round it up to 4 cents. And that is how you would use a layaway plan.